Bell peppers are easier to grow only if you know the basic cares about them. Bell peppers leaf curl problem is very common and we all of them have faced this thing somehow. So in this video, I am going to show you the 5 main reasons of bell peppers leaf curl problem. This video also includes the solutions, so keep watching. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified. Number 1 reason of peppers leaf curl is overwatering. It is the most common problem that cause the leaf curls. When you are using a soil mix with poor drainage, then the water doesn't drains out properly. Blockage of water develops stress on the roots of pepper plants, and in result the leaves became curled and bubbly. To avoid the leaf curl problem, the first thing you have to make sure is to use a good soil mixture. For that you can check out a video from the description box and I button. And the next thing would be watering properly. Always check the soil moisture level before adding the water. Add water only when the soil is getting dry. Don't add water if the soil is already moist. The next reason of pepper plants leaf curl is calcium deficiency. Calcium plays a very important role in the health of vegetable plants, so including a calcium source in the fertilizer became extremely important. When the pepper plant doesn't find enough calcium for its healthier growth, then it starts appearing the deficiency through its leaves. This thing makes the leaves to curl up and also some of the blackish spots on the leaf. When you find these type of symptoms, immediately use an organic source of calcium, like the eggshells, to feed your bell pepper plants. I have recently made an article on making the best fertilizer for vegetable plants, that you must check out to prevent this problem. The link is added in the description and on my website 𝑘𝙝𝙪𝙧𝙨. Calcium deficiency is also the common reason of leaf curl in bell peppers, so it is very important to make sure the plant is not facing the calcium deficiency. The next reason of leaf curl problem in peppers is intense light effect. When the pepper plant is exposed to a strong light, then the plant shows leaf curl problem. It is a natural response of pepper plants to the intense light. Too much light causes the water deficiency in the leaf, that makes the leaves to curls in. If your pepper plants are also placed in a sunny spot with too much sunlight, then you just have to change the position. Bell peppers grows very well in a sunny area, but the sunlight of summer is very much stronger than other days. So it becomes necessary to put your pepper plants in a better area. Hope you understand the point. I have also made an article on bell peppers leaf curl problem, that you must read to get it more clearly. The link is added in the description and on my website 𝑘𝙝𝙪𝙧𝙨. The next most common reason of pepper plants leaf curl is a viral attack. It looks very abnormal and dangerous. The virus hits the immune system of pepper plant very badly. All the leaves, specifically the new leaves, became curled and bubbly. The size of the leaves of affected plant remains smaller, and plant shows a stunted growth. This is due to the attack of virus, and the most dangerous thing about that, it spreads from plant to plant. To avoid this type of viral attack, you can use an organic pesticide on all your plants as a prevention. And it becomes extremely important to dispose the affected plant, because it can damage the other plants of your house also. This type of viral attack are common in peppers, so using a pesticide became necessary. You can also use an organic pesticide by making it at home. I have added some videos on homemade pesticides in the description and I button, that you can check out later. The next cause of pepper plants leaf curl could be poor circulation of air. Pepper plants loves to have an open area, with air and sun. But if you kept them in a polyhouse or in between of multiple plants, then the leaves starts curling. Leaf curling, browning, yellowing, etc. All of them are the symptoms and indicators that you are doing something wrong. Too much moist environment is not suitable for all type of plants. The pepper plant doesn't like humidity, while the hibiscus plant, money plant, syngoniums, all of them loves to have a humid environment. So it is very important to know what a plant requires and what doesn't. Curling of leaves due to poor circulation of air is not so common, but it could be a reason of the problem. To avoid this, you have to choose an open area for peppers, with ideal sunlight and air circulation. So these are the 5 main reasons of pepper plants leaf curl. Hope you find this video helpful. For the related articles, check out the description box. And if you wants to grow bell pepper plants from seeds, check out this video. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching.